Hey loves, today not only am I going to show you how to get this super cute fluffy twist out, I'll show you how to style it too. Let's get started. To save time, I've already completed and tied up the back of my hair, and it's best to begin with dry, slightly stretched out hair because styling my hair dry allows me to see more length in the finished hairstyle. I'm using Shea Moisture Strength and Restore Lock and Braid Butter, and you're also going to need a small and smaller perm rods. So my hair is freshly washed and dried in twists. So first you want to unravel and finger detangle one twist, adding a generous amount of lock butter throughout the section. Then 2-strand twist in small to medium sized twists. I personally like to add more butter on the very ends to keep them moisturized. Next, you want to wrap your twist in the larger perm rods, beginning on the ends and roll up to the roots. And I'm using the larger perm rods in the back and on the sides because I'll see more length when it's complete. Repeat this process until you reach the front middle section of your hair. This is where the bangs will be. When reaching the front of your crown area, flat twist the hair beginning from the crown, working your way to the front hairline. Then wrap your hair in the smaller perm rods. Voila, done. At this point, you want to let the twists air dry if you can. 8 hours later. I was short on time, so I ended up having to unravel my twists before they dried. The ends weren't as curly as I'd like, but I've had worse happen. If this happens, blow dry your twists when you take out the perm rods. When you're finished, carefully untwist the 2-strand twists and hand twirl any unformed curls. The more you separate the twists, the more undefined volume you'll have. So this is style number 1, a cute fluffy twist out with a little definition. But wait, for style number 2, begin in the back. You want to French roll the hair from the nape of the neck to the crown. Use bobby pins to secure and shape the crown. Next, put on your favorite headband or scarf and separate the crown hair from the bangs. Then use bobby pins to shape the crown into a voluminous bun. As you can see, this bun has a lot of texture. And that completes style number 2. So which style was your favorite? Style number 1, the fluffy twist out, or style number 2, the banging updo? Subscribe for more videos on Thursdays. I clearly had way too much fun. Links are in the description box. Mwah! And check out my natural hair care playlist for more videos. Bye!